Hey Max Impactors, what I'm going to show you how to do today is make this garland here. My wife did a really good job and I just wanted to show you guys all how to do it. So we're going to just go over here to the kitchen and I'm going to show you how to do it. You can go over that side. Alright, so I got a little bit started here. And what you're going to need for this project is pine cones. You can buy these pine cones in the store, or you can just go out and find some. We like this size. Some of them are scented too, so that's always a nice one to get. And then all you do for the pine cone is in the center, it's really hard in the center, so we're going to try to get it into the center as much as we can. And I make a pilot hole. In the pilot hole, I basically use the smallest size drill I have. And then we have these little eye hooks. And then you just kind of screw it in there. And then the next step, after I get this screwed in, is you're going to tie it onto this rope. Now we have this nice like jute rope that we got. You could probably use any kind of rope. And then we have some string. You can use any kind of jute as long as it fits through the eye. And I'm just going to cut a piece off like this. Put it through the eye. And then you're just going to tie it onto the string. With a little square knot. Now you can figure out what size you want. This one we did a little bigger. So you can measure that if you want. Okay, then you want about these are gonna be about 6 inches apart. So I got this tape measure. You can always do this and then kind of slide it into position. Now we're gonna go on to doing the ornaments. So you can use any kind of ornament. So we have this thing of ornaments, you know, put these little bells on there. We got all these different types of ornaments. And I'm just going to grab one of these. And all you're going to do is you're going to tie this on. We tied it on with a ribbon. You could do any kind of ribbon. So we have, you know, kind of more Christmassy looking ones here. This one has little peppermints on it, or candy canes. But we decided to use the white one. And this is going to be 12 inches long. So you just come here. Measure it out 12 inches, and then we're just going to cut it off. And you want to do a nice straight cut, but later on, even if you don't have a straight cut, you can come in later and fix that up. And then we're going to take this, you feed it in through. Now I'm working pretty quickly, so you know you can take your time a little bit more and make sure that it looks perfect. But we're just going to take this and tie it on with the ribbon. Again, another square knot. And you can fix it up to look a little nicer than that in a little bit, but you would just measure it 6 inches, so I'd slide this down. There you go, you got 6 inches. All right, so that's how you make it. You just go all the way along until you're finished on the rope here. So if you can bring the camera up. All right, guys, well, I hope you like this video and this project. Really simple to do, a lot of fun. Even my wife and I, we like to go out and like collect actual pine cones, which is a kind of fun activity to do. And you can finish this all up. All right, guys, thanks for watching our video. I hope you like it. Comment below, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you in the next video.